time for a new adventure.
Squawk!
Nay! He's coming again. I just know it.
What are we gonna do about the giant this time?
No! This isn't happening!
Help me!
We have to do something! Go, Corvo! Fly fast and follow him! Find where he lives!
Squawk!
Chirp, chirp! Over there! The mountains! Thank you, brave one! We'll go now! Keep flying, Arjun! Don't worry, I'll lead the way! Come on, boy, we're almost there! Just follow the parrot! Squawk! Caw. We need to be careful. The giant's cave is right ahead. Let her go!
No! She's mine!
No, she's not! Take us instead!
I will destroy you both!
Thank you, everyone! I'm so glad she's safe!
Arjun, you are our hero! Wow, look at that kingdom!